to turn them into a paying customer. And to do that, you have a program called a lead test wherein they will be able to test kung ito ba talagang programa na ito yung offering mo o yung service mo ay para sa kanila. Okay? Because in Captivate, ang principle natin is all about permission and willingness. We don't force, we don't chase, we let the customer dictate the relationship. Right? So,
And let them get in also. Let them approach.
let them approach you.
Hindi yung tayo yung parang hunter.
Oo, hindi hunter.
Early hunter mode na tayo yung, kumbaga, unang kita pa lang
Oo na.
i-close.
Oo.
Hindi ganon.
Hindi ganon, no? We let them on their journey. And again, where? Yun yung platform. Saan ka nag-lead test? Whether it's an event, whether it's an online meeting, for them to make sure na this is really for me. So, yun yung priority for that stage. And once they become a paying customer, your job now is to turn them into a loyalist, which is the last or yung pinaka-importanting, pinaka-valuable part ng isang customer, pagiging loyalista.